guys, it's Brianne here, and today I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, that's right. I went to Dollar Tree, wasn't planning on doing a video, but I found so much cool stuff, like I had to. So I'm sure everyone knows what Dollar Tree is. If you don't, definitely check it out because they just have such a huge range of items, and you'll go in for one thing and then end up finding like a ton of other things that you need. And what's amazing is that everything is $1, so you can't go wrong. So I have this bag filled with stuff and actually a few other things that didn't fit in the bag. So let's get started. So the first thing I bought was this. You can kind of see it's wall decor. They're like the stickers you put on your walls. They're just so super pretty. Actually, the last time I bought these, what I used them for is I bought a blank gift bag and then I put the stickers on them. I actually had found some Captain Marvel stickers, so I added those onto a gift bag, and I mean, for $2 I had this like amazing gift bag. I think I'm gonna do that with those. Kind of sticking with decor, I also found this, a cute little canvas, but this one too, just like super duper pretty. I don't know, I think I can like put it up somewhere, or you know, give it as a gift. Kind of just depends. I'm not really sure. I really love mermaids. I have a lot of cute mermaid decor already, so might be something I do with it, I'm not sure. Then I found this one. It says I need coffee. I liked it because it's just really simple. It's plastic and it can kind of go anywhere. So again, this could be a gift, or you know, it can just be a cute desk accessory, something to hang. I don't know, I just thought it was so cute, and it looks like something you would find at Target or something, but I mean, come on, it was only $1, so. Okay, this next thing, I don't know why I got it. It's not really me, but I'm kind of a big deal. Like, it's so cute. It's just a little desk sign. It does not go with the decor of my current desk. I just thought they were so cute. So they had different ones, some that said Boss Girl, lots of different things. That one was just the one that stood out the most to me, so I bought it. Okay, these are amazing. I always buy them at Dollar Tree. I actually have a few that are up in my room. They're not the like actual, they're not like a real brand. I think it's like their brand or like a generic brand, but all you have to do is put these up and wait like 24 hours before you hang something on it, and they work pretty well. Like, I wouldn't suggest hanging super heavy things. I think they tell you a max of, I don't know how many pounds, 3 pounds. I probably wouldn't do 3 pounds. Usually I just use these to hang like reusable shopping bags or purses or other things like that, but I really suggest getting these. It also says wait 12 hours. Like I said, wait 24 hours, just to make sure they're super sticky, but those are amazing. I also got one of these. It's just an over the door rack. So I needed one for one of my doors that I have in my room, and it's white. It goes with my white door. And again, I mean, like, it's only $1. And I just feel like if it breaks, it breaks. It probably won't. So yeah, I just wouldn't recommend putting it in like your bathroom because the paint tends to chip. It doesn't do too well with moisture, but I mean, come on, $1. Next, I got this. So random. It's a placemat. I do a lot of like crafty type stuff on my desk, and my desk is like clear glass, so I just thought this would have this, and then if it gets paint or whatever, like, who cares. Also, I just didn't want like my glue gun dripping onto my glass table, so now it can drip onto this plastic placemat, and I mean, it's really cute. Super cute design. I love gray, so I mean, it goes with my little gray aesthetic. The next thing I got, okay, this is random. I found this. I think it's, I'm not even sure. Let's find out together what this is. Oh, okay. Oh, So I guess you can put your, the charger for your Apple Watch. So you put the charger in here, I'm guessing. Oh, so then you just put this on your nightstand, and then when you charge your watch, I guess you just lay it on top. That's kind of cool. And it's black. I love, whenever I shop at Dollar Tree, I like to just always go with like black or white or gray, because it looks just really nice. It doesn't look super cheap, or like, I don't know, just my preference, guys. Like, next I bought these 2 little kitchen towels. So at my job, we actually have to wear bow ties as part of our uniform. So I wanted to just make some cute bow ties with like bees and coffee beans. That's why I bought these. I thought they'd be super cute. Then I bought these. These are colorful permanent markers. So I'll give them a try and let you guys know what I think. But pens and markers are really hit or miss at Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can get a really good quality marker, and sometimes they're not. So we'll test these out. They're permanent markers. They're colorful. I was thinking of taking them to work, so we'll see. And again, I bought more. These are just basic. Like I said, markers are pretty like hit or miss, but I mean, it's only $1. So if you need it for something super small or specific, like totally go for it. And then I bought this. This is just so cute. It's kind of acting weird in the light. It says little but fierce. I just figure I could give it away to somebody as like a little gift, or like a cute thank you or something. It's just so small and so cute. Like, why wouldn't you buy it? And I got rubber bands. So at work, we always need rubber bands, and I just stopped ordering them from Staples and just started going to Dollar Tree and buying them, because you're gonna spend $5 on rubber bands when you can get them for $1. They do the same job and they're just as good. So I went in specifically to get some paintbrushes. So I got these little ones, sponge dabbers. I like these to do different paint projects, but also I have 2 nieces, so when they paint, I like to give them these spongy ones rather than like full-on paintbrushes, just because they're easier to use. I also got these, which I'm super curious to try. These are like rub-on designs, so it shows you how to use them in the back. I just thought like succulents and cactuses are so cute. And I don't know, I don't even know what I'm gonna use them for. I don't have any like wood, or I don't know. So we'll see. If I ever use them, I'll definitely try to make a video, because I mean, I'm super interested to see how these work out. Also, I got some paintbrushes. So I'm not a painter, but I wanted to start painting. It just helps relieve stress and kind of relieve some anxiety. So I thought I'd just pick these up at the dollar store. Last time I was at Michael's, I was just looking for a basic paintbrush set, and it was a little pricey. It was like $4, and that's not super expensive, but compared to like $2 and you're getting more paintbrushes, like why not just go with that? I also got one of these. It's a little palette, so you can put in your paints. I have a bunch of acrylic paints. And then I bought these. So they don't always have these, because this is the first time I've seen them at Dollar Tree. But I bought these 2 small canvases. And what I was thinking is, you know, I had bought this decorative one. I wanted to try to like make my own little decorative things. One year for Christmas, I actually went to Michael's and bought a bunch of canvases and made personalized like canvases for people. So I wanted to kind of try to do it this year again. I just bought an embosser, so I wanted to try to do maybe some like paint and then embossing on it, just to see if I can kind of recreate this type of effect. But I think when you can personalize stuff, it's always really fun, and it also just kind of shows people like, hey, I care. Or you can put inside jokes. I did that when I made some canvases a few years ago. I put stuff that I probably couldn't find in a store, and it was really easy. And again, painting and drawing or whatever, like I'm not super great at it, but it just is such a stress reliever, and it's fun. And if you mess up, I mean, like these are only $1. Like, it's not breaking the bank. So I got these, and that's pretty much everything that I got. Oh no, I bought these too. So I always buy these at Dollar Tree. I floss all the time. So I like these too because, you know, it has this little like resealable bag. So I just put these in my bag, and I always have flossers. Or I kind of like separate them and put them into smaller bags, put them into, you know, whatever. But they're only $1. Like, they're not the best by any means, but you get 35 for $1. That lasts quite a while. And, you know, when you're on the go and you need floss, like, you have it. So that's all the stuff that I got, you guys. I still don't know why. I still can't get over this. But I bought some really fun things. And like I said, you know, I think altogether I spent $22. So I have 21 items. And I got a lot of really fun things. Some unexpected things that I'm going to try out. And then just some very functional things that I really did need. So I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. I definitely will test out some of this crafting stuff and let you guys know how it went. But thanks for watching.